Okay, good morning, everyone. Okay, let's put this here. Good morning, everyone. Good to see everyone here. Morning. Hi, morning, Lester, Sonia, Ankit, Judy, Julian. Today, webinar is open to public. Is there anybody in the public? Hi, Jonathan. Terrence, hi, Terrence, morning. I always see your morning photos too. New angle is because don't know why this camera not working, so I use this camera. Okay, so yeah, so today the camera, this angle not working, so I use this camera. not that we pro are gonna change angle, okay, because one angle not working. Okay, so okay, let's get started. Okay, welcome. Today event is open to public. Hi, Irene. Jovina, Nicholas, these are people from public. Okay, left profile. And okay, little neck cramp. Yeah, okay. Okay, so how is your morning? How is your morning? Good? No good? Morning, nice weather, right? Morning, I brought my son to the gym and then we went to walk. It's nice, nice weather. Okay, let's get started. Okay, same thing. Welcome to today's Monday morning entertainment. Okay, MME. Every time the word MME, we're excited to start. Okay, first thing first, I want to appreciate. Okay, I want to appreciate every single one of you who are here today. Okay, Gabriel, Terrence, all you young, all these people. Some of you I know you're on Facebook. Some of you met you personally, but I appreciate all of you for joining me every single week. How many of you here are here almost every single week? Type me if you're here almost every single week. Okay, yeah. So I want to appreciate all of you. Okay, I realize that I'm only a tool, right? I'm not the source. I'm only an instrument. Okay. It's good to see good testimony like Glenn just posted testimony. Terrence, I think, also posted testimony. But I realized that I'm not the source. I'm only the instrument, okay, the tool, okay, to use in this community. Okay, so I want to appreciate all of you. Okay, and if I have helped you all in a small way, I'm glad to be in your journey. Do you follow what I'm saying? Everybody is on your own journey. Okay, and don't compare. Okay, today I posted something about don't compare. Really don't compare, because you want to be unhappy. The trick is to compare. Okay, because there's always somebody that you can compare higher with. Okay, compare with Elon Musk, whatever you choose. Okay, so I think don't compare, but everybody is on our own journey. I think the key is really to understand that we play our instrument in our life. Okay, whatever instrument you are playing, you're supposed to play the drum, you're supposed to play the triangle. You play your instrument well, I think you'll live your life well. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so if you are playing a symphony, the one playing the drum will say, wow, the violin plays so often, I don't have chance to play so often. No, it's not like that, right? It's all of us, we are playing this symphony together. Okay, so I am playing maybe one symphony, I don't know what instrument, but I'm playing one instrument and you are all playing a different instrument. Together we are playing this instrument together. Does it make sense or not? Okay, so yeah, if you have this perspective, then it is easier. We are not competing. We are not competing one another, or rather we are together playing this instrument together. Okay, so first thing, whatever I share with you all is for education purpose. These are not advice to buy and sell. That yes, if you agree. Okay, I think move this thing a bit here, then I can put this thing here. Okay, never mind. I put a chat box here, and I can look at you. All right. Okay. So Stella say I recovered my SMT OD fee. Fantastic. Okay, Stella, well done. Okay. So so let's get started. Look at S&P 500 as usual. I will not go through too much, okay, because I believe most of you who are already with me, you all will know the trend. What's the trend of S&P 500? What's the S&P 500? Okay, it's up. Yes or no? It's up. Okay, so majority of you should know that. Okay, I put it here. Okay, up, right? And okay, then next thing is what about daily charts? Daily chart should also be up. Yes or no? Okay, should also be up. Okay, you can see from the weekly charts, the candlestick is blue. Okay, it has been blue for a while. Okay, weekly position is blue, and then daily position is also blue. Yes or no? Okay, so both trend is up. Okay, that's one observation for weekly trend. Broke resistance. Last week you just mentioned this, right? Broke resistance and then broke above the resistance. Type yes if you understand. Okay, it's up, going up. Okay, so fantastic. Okay, so it's still going up now. Okay, so okay, still going up now. Okay, so nothing much you need to do in terms of the position. Don't be too bearish. Okay, don't be too bearish. But because we are also going to the season of more bullish season from November, December. November is actually a very bullish season. November, December, before Christmas, it's usually a very usually bullish. Okay, so just to share with you. Okay, so on the chart, it also shows the same thing. Okay, should we be concerned that it's going up so fast? No need. Okay, so oh yeah, one more thing is trade the charts. Okay, don't trade something that you don't see. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't trade something. Trade what you see. Don't trade what you don't see. Do you follow what I'm saying? You see like that, then you trade that chart. Okay, don't go anticipate and think that it's going up too much, then it's going to crash. Okay, or going down too much, then it's going to go up. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay. Let me see whether I can do this. Okay, so let me put this because I want to look at your. If I don't look at your, it's like not good, right? If I put this here, and then I put this camera here, then I can see you all, right? Okay. So then I can see you all. Okay, so correct or not? Okay, so the trend is up for S&P 500. Next, we go to. Do you understand what I mean by? Do you understand what I mean by trade what you see? Okay, trade what you see. That means if it's up, that means trade up. Don't go and trade down. Okay, if it's down, then don't go and say, it's down a lot already. Now it's going up. Okay, don't anticipate. Okay, trade what you see. Okay, what you see is correct. Do you follow what I'm saying? What you see is correct. Some people, they're very weird one. When they see the stock drop a lot, then they want to buy because even though they don't see it yet, they say, now is the time to buy. Okay. Generally, you want to wait for it to confirm. Okay, the trend, then you buy. Okay. Next, go to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq weekly chart is what trend? Up. Okay, also up. Okay, so okay, Edmund asks, why is November, December usually bullish? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, most funds institution, right? They close their books. Do you follow what I'm saying? They close their book. They have to hand up their results. Do you follow what I'm saying? End of the year, they close their books, right? They end up their result. Okay, but my fund is up how much? My fund is down how much? Do you follow what I'm saying? So they would want the portfolio to look good. Does it make sense? Okay. Have you heard of this thing called okay, never mind. We don't go there. Okay, but that's the reason why. Okay, that's the reason why it happened also on the quarter. Okay, but end of the year is more. Okay. Okay, we won't go into window dressing because If not, then it's too long already. Okay, but that's the idea. Next, we go to, okay, so Nasdaq, any question? Uptrend, daily chart also uptrend. First arrow with teeth. Can you see? Nasdaq, first arrow with teeth also broke the resistance. If you can see over here, it also broke the resistance. Yes or no? Type yes if you can see that. So trade what you see. Okay, don't trade or going up too much already, it's going to crash. Okay, trade what you see. Okay, so that's the principle. Okay, so next is the next question is, when will it come down? Don't know. Okay, how I know? Okay, but you trade what you see. Then if you can trade the long-term trend, you'll be fine. You see already, then you trade, see already, then you trade, then you'll be fine. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, that is what you should do. If not, then let's say example, you trade let's say BABA, okay, and then as the stock come down, you anticipate. So low can go lower, low can go lower. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, because you don't have the future data here. During that time, at this day, you may feel that wow, it's super cheap, you know, or at this day, you may feel that wow, it's super cheap. Okay, and then you start to anticipate, then you may be wrong. Okay, so what I'll do is finish already. When it's turn trend rate, then you trade. That's the correct way. Okay. Next, we go to Hang Seng. Hang Seng Index, what trend, guys? Hang Seng Index is what trend? By now, you all should know, right? Because every week we go through the same weekly trend. What is a weekly trend? Okay, weekly trend is sideways to down. Yes or no? Candlestick is red color. Weekly trend candlestick is red color. Okay. In the very, very long-term horizon is up. That means it's the very, very long-term horizon up. But if you're talking about just this, like I would say this year, okay, the trend is down. You can see the candlestick turn red. Okay. If you are very, very long-term, you want to buy those when it's super value one, I think now is a good time. Okay. Now to maybe next 6 months, I think will be a good time to buy on dips. Is it at the lowest point of the lowest part of the value? I don't think so. Not yet at the lowest part of the value, but it's at the maybe the 25% to 30% of the whole range. Okay, so if you feel that right now is a time to get in, you can, but you may need to wait. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, make sense, huh? Okay, so this is Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index. Don't know where to put this. Okay, Hang Seng Index. Next is what index? STI. STI index. Weekly chart, daily chart. You want to see daily charts? Okay, so daily charts, right? It is trying to form a bottom. Yes or no? Not bottom yet. Trying to form a bottom. How will I know that it is finally bottom? How will I know that it's finally bottom? For Hang Seng Index, that means we would want to anticipate, right? How do I know that it will start to turn up again? Now it's trading down to sideways, but how do I know that it's going to? How do I decide? Okay, trend reverse. I mentioned this last week, right? Yes or no? Cross for TMA is good. What else? Remember the talk about the W shape? So when I start to form higher high, high low, okay, then it will be time. Okay, so now it's not yet. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, now it's not yet. Okay, by then your trader GPS will give you a signal also, so no need to worry. Okay. Next is Nikkei. Nikkei this morning was strong. Nikkei. Nikkei is what trend? So understand that weekly trend doesn't change much. Okay, weekly trend doesn't change much. So weekly trend is like sideways, yes or no? Okay, it is consolidating into this region. Okay, pros is digesting this gain. Digesting this gain right now. Okay, so this is right now the consolidation is still stuck in this box right now. Okay, so daily charts still stuck in this box. Okay, so now it's sideways. Okay. The resistance will be around the 30,600 there about 30,600. If not, then it will be still sideways. Once it break up, what do you all think? Once it break up, do you think it will break up for 1 week and then come back down, or it will break up and then move back, continue to go up? What do you all think? Let's say, example, if it breaks up, that means if it goes like this, that means if it goes like this, now it's like that, right? If it goes like this, what do you think? You think 1 week and then after that you go all the way down, or you think it will go 1 week then it will go? Important, right? This is a very key question. If it breaks up, okay, then there will be more way to go. Do you follow what I'm saying? If it breaks up, it will not be like 1 week then finish already. If it breaks up after this consolidation, it breaks up, then there will be more legs to go. Do you follow what I'm saying? It will not be break up 1 week then downtrend already. Why is it so? Why is it so? Prior trend is uptrend, consolidating. Likelihood the next trend is uptrend. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Store power, yeah, right. Store power. Okay. Next we go to what other index? Okay, what other index? Dow Jones. Dow Jones, we have a swing. Anybody did the swing in Dow Jones? Type DJI if you did the swing in Dow Jones. It's our Dow Jones 18 October swing weekly setup. Nobody, Alamak. Nobody? Weekly swing, nobody trade that setup. Type DJI. How come nobody? Okay, only me. Okay. Hey, this is good to trade because index move a bit, you make money. Oh, can you see this three lines? I mentioned this three line before, and then it's swing to resistance already. Oh, by the way, do you all know how to trade index or not? Type yes or no. Well, all don't know how to trade index. Yeah, your teacher who never teach you. Index is the best to trade. It's the nicest to trade. Okay, even compared to not ETF, index, it's very good to trade. Okay, because very sweet one, you see here come down, top bounce, very sweet one, you see here bounce, very sweet one. Oh, must trade lah. Okay, save for next class. Okay, not ETF, but index itself. CFD index is very nice to trade on. Okay. And you don't need a lot of capital. Wrong, don't need a lot of capital to trade. Okay. Index is highly leveraged. Okay. 20 times leverage. Okay. But if you don't know what to do, then die 20 times faster. Okay. Okay. If you know how to trade, it's make 20 times more. Okay. If you don't know how to trade, it's lose 20 times faster. Okay. I will share with y'all. Okay. Actually, it's not risky because index doesn't go up as much. Do you follow what I'm saying? If like let's say for a weekly swing, like from here to here, right? This few weeks only, trigger here, yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Trigger here until here is 2%, 3% only. Or after 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, you go up to 2.4% only. Okay. But if you can leverage it, then it's a lot. Okay. Okay, I will cover this soon. Okay, I'll write this all under my homework. These 2 months I will cover all this. You can also do options also. Yes, you can also do options. Okay. Ayo, Dow Jones you never trade. Oh, sayang. Okay, never mind. Okay, next. Any other index? Wow, very good. This who asked? Amy asked. Type in the full code is good because I always forget what's the code. Okay. Yeah. Long term is what trend? Amy, long term is what trend? Long term is still sideways. If you are talking about like you must buy KL. I think now okay lah. So same thing about 25%. Let's say this is 100% fully valued. This is fully undervalued. Okay, this is market value. Then this is like 25%. Oh, okay, guys. Okay, I move on from index. Okay, the rest, I think lesser people. Okay, next, we go to your stocks. Okay, STI finished already, right? STI finished already. Okay, same as, did I cover STI? No. Okay. Weekly trend also the same. Guys, the weekly trend doesn't change much. Do you all notice that? Once is the trend is the same trend. Okay, but now we are about 50% there. Okay, 50% there. In terms of value, last year we got in April. Anybody still holding STI since last year April? Type in STI. Wow, fantastic. Okay, good. So hang on now. From here last year until now, almost 30% already. Okay, fantastic. Okay, just hang on. I won't sell at this point. Okay, if I hold for 1 year already, and it's like up 30%, I won't sell at this point. Even if it drop back from here, drop back 15%, 10%, I won't sell. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I want to ride all the way up to maybe here or even here. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So if it drop 10-15%, I also won't sell. Okay, because I already bought last year here, right? So I will hang on and wait for it to be fully valued. Okay. You can do like dollar cost averaging and things like that. Okay. How to get the lines? Last week we talked about this already. Okay, watch last week webinar. Okay. Next, last week webinar we talked about how to draw lines. Yes or no? Like yes, you remember. Okay, go and watch the webinar. Okay, today event is open to public, so let's do some advertisement time. Okay, so for those public, I don't know how many of you are public. If you want to join us in the SMT community, go to this link, got CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, don't do SMT. Let's do something different. Okay, let's. I also don't know what to say. Type in SMT if you recommend SMT to the people in the public. Okay, thank you, Judy, Navin, Edward, Agnes. Okay, you can see. Okay. Actually, I don't know how many public. Okay, actually very few. Okay, but anyway, the SMT class is next year already. This year don't have anymore. Okay, finish already. We are going to spend the next 2 months to do training, okay, for our SMT graduate. So one of my first homework is index. Okay, I'll talk about index. We may also do live trading. Okay, but that one will start later, maybe like 10:30. They will start. Okay, they do 1 hour live trading. Okay, and yeah, we'll see what we do. Okay, November, December. Now today 1st of November only. Let me brief a while first. Okay, can we sign up for next year now? Of course can. Okay, go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, you should be public, right? And you should be SMT graduate, right? Okay, join us in SMT. Yes, Zach. Okay, didn't join, you regret. Okay. Okay, thanks, Irvin. Okay. Okay, right now I a bit busy. Okay, because friend from New York joining. Wow, fantastic. Okay, ask him to join us too. Okay. Okay, now let's go into our individual stocks. Okay, don't join, regret. Public. Okay, daily charts. Okay, let's look at this. This is a reset. Okay, from here they move up. First arrow, second arrow, third arrow, finish already. Reset. Okay, candlestick turn rate, exited. Okay, since the first arrow with teeth until here is up about 30%. Okay, resetted back to 0. This one no count. This first two signal no count. You all know why? First two signal no count. You don't know why? No teeth. Okay. Okay. let's say example, you don't have trader GPS. If you don't have trader GPS, okay, if you like this, okay, how do you know that this two first signal no count or not strong? 6 month high is very good. What else? Inside the box, wow, fantastic. Okay, I'm so happy for you. Okay, it's inside the box. Okay, if you don't know how to see the box, if you don't know how to see with resistance, then you use this. Also can. Got it? Like, yes, if you understand. Oh, okay, the break 6 month high. So right now it's the first impulse. Okay, it's the first impulse. We do not know whether this impulse will go further. Okay, so then what do? You mark the high. Okay, mark the high, MH, mark the high. If it go higher, then you just write. If it doesn't go higher, then you just trace it down. Okay, trace it down. That yes, if you understand, until it breaks the high again, then it will be your first signal. Okay, by now you all should know this, right? Okay, next one is oh shit, shifting this thing. Okay, next one is TSCO. Okay, TSCO volume I think is okay. Okay, volume is enough. Okay, 1.3 million enough. Okay. I mentioned this before, right? 20 times your size. 20 times your size. If you want Gyasu, you want 50 times your size. Oh, so how much you trade times that size. Okay. Is there indicator for volume? Yes. If you go to here, on the left panel, you can go to volume. Volume over here. Okay. Got it? Oh yeah, by the way, one more thing. Can you see that breakout? Can you see the volume? Volume is high or low? This candle. So if it's high volume, high price, is generally good. Okay, generally it's good. The only time it's no good is when. Okay. No. Like on based on average. Based on average. Okay. Based on average. Average is like this, right? So if it's 2 times volume, is considered high. Okay. So high price, high volume is considered good. The only time is not good is what? I will cover another day. I'll cover another. Okay. No. I'm talking about up. Okay. Up. Usually, okay, I tell you all, don't suspend you all, right? Usually, when the breaks, this is called breakout. Okay, breakout is when the price goes up and the volume goes up. Yes or no? Okay, price goes up and volumes go up. But there is one thing that you need to watch. It's called what you call climatic volume. Okay, it's very weird lah. Okay, so usually price go up, volume go up, the direction is correct. It means it's going up. Okay, but there is this thing called climatic volume. Climatic volume is like the reverse. That means if the volume is very, very extremely high, and the price is extremely high, that may be the top. Okay, it seldom happen. It seldom happen, but that is the turning point. Do you follow what I'm saying? Yes, if you understand, it's called climatic volume. Okay, but generally, don't need to worry about climatic volume because most of the time it is correct. Okay, climatic volume is only at the turning point. Climatic volume. Do you follow what I'm saying? And how often does a price turn direction? Not often. Okay, so that's something to take note. Okay, my point is don't worry so much about climatic volume, but just know that there's such thing as extremely high price, extremely high volume. It may be the reverse. Not pullback. That means that is the top. That is the top. Okay, but I want to share with you all. Don't be so concerned because top seldom happen. Okay. What example is like Bitcoin or last time in few years, one year, 2 years ago. Okay, 2 years ago. Okay. What else? Nasdaq. Okay. When the Nasdaq chart happened, big volume, big price, parabolic trend. Okay, parabolic trend. Okay, you all know what's parabolic trend, right? It's very steep curve. okay, then you need to be careful. Okay. That yes, if you understand, if you sell. Yeah, this one 27 maybe is some corporate action. I don't think this is normal. Okay, this is maybe some merit deal or corporate action. Okay, let's move on, guys. How very high volume equals how many times? Like more than 2 times. Okay, more than 2 times volume. Okay, but don't scared of climatic volume. Okay, scared. Share this one. Everything you all think is climatic volume. Climatic volume seldom happen. Okay, seldom happen. Okay, climatic volume is at the top. Okay, when the thing is very steep. Okay, very steep already. Then at the last part is like when the newspaper come out very good news. The analysts say very good. All the retail rush in. All the everybody rush in. Okay, then good lah. Same as the reverse. Okay, same as the reverse. Reverse means to say when the price drop until very steep, okay, and big volume down, that is the bottom. Okay, climatic volume on the bottom. Okay, but seldom happen. Okay, in the future, I hope I can show you all some. Okay, if I have time, something like this. Can you see? That yes, you can see. This one very climatic, yes or no? Oh, that yes, you can see. This one is like, wow, how many times? 1 time, 2 times, 3, 10 times of average volume. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Oh, this one is climatic. Okay, but it seldom happen. Okay, so don't be so scary. Don't be so scared. Okay, that yes, if you understand. Okay, let's move on. TSCO. Okay. Is it correct? Oh, this one. TSCO. Tractor supply. Okay. What should we do if you are holding position in climatic? Oh yeah, let me just share with you. Like Tesla. Okay, like Tesla, right? How many have Tesla right now? Like me, we have Tesla. Or type TSAL with Tesla. Okay, so quite a lot of your bought, right? In the SMT graduate, we actually mentioned this before. Okay, members of public, we actually mentioned Tesla in the group. Yes or no? So a lot of people mentioned Tesla. A lot of people holding Tesla. So we have a Facebook group that I think our Facebook group is I think one of the most vibrant already lah. Yes or no? August 30th. Okay, August 30th. We mentioned this, and then okay, all here lah. 82 comments. Okay, so okay, I think it will go up. This is when this is when? This is like 8 weeks ago, is it? Yeah, 8 weeks ago. Okay, 8 weeks ago, we mentioned Tesla. Okay, so Tesla went up, right? 8 weeks ago. About 2 months ago lah. Okay, about 2 months ago. So 8 weeks ago will be 8 weeks, about 2 months, right? Yeah, 2 months ago lah. Okay, so from there it went up about 50%. So what you want to do right now is, if you are holding position, what should you do? Very simple one. Your trader GPS is so simple. It's like a Song Qian one. How to do? How to manage this trade? Don't take right now. But what should you do? Dotted red line. Okay, dotted red line. Just use the dotted red line and guide you. Very good already. Do you follow what I'm saying? So far, don't scared. Okay. Okay. Don't scared so fast still. Okay. So it will continue to trail up. Can you see? Okay. This dotted red line trail up the thing. Okay. Again, got to do a time frame. Okay, guys. If you are holding like long term, according to your time frame. That yes, if you understand. Okay, according to your time frame. Okay. If you say I believe in Tesla for next 10 years, can I hold Tesla, don't sell? Cannot. Can. Okay. Nothing wrong. Do you follow what I'm saying? Is it too high to buy right now? I won't buy right now. Okay. Why I won't buy right now? Why won't I buy right now? By the way, this one you all should know, okay? If you don't know, take cane already, okay? Parabolic, what else? See price so far from MA, yes or no? That yes, you can see price so far from MA. Okay, weekly chart also far from MA, yes or no? So how to buy now? Okay, you want to buy 2 months ago lah. 2 months ago here can buy lah. Okay, breaking resistance the tank can buy. Come on, that's not break resistance. Okay, the time is how much? $722. Okay, when it $722 you buy. $722 here you buy about 2 months ago you buy, then this one what lah, yes or no? Up almost 50%. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, okay, but not now lah, now you buy is take my gain now, okay. Okay, wait for it to pull back if you want, okay, but not now. Okay, this one is what happened, you know, like got news, right? Okay, so this part, right, is when people start to how to say, start to get retail people, that means those people that are trading in and out, people coming in. Understand? The hertz buy the how many 100,000 cars and things like that. So you understand not? So you don't follow the herd lah. That yes, if you understand, okay, don't follow the herd. Okay, so context is trading. Okay, guys, context is trading. Okay, if you're like, Collin, I'm long-term investor. How long-term investor? I think still got maybe room lah, but at this point I won't buy. Long term I won't buy, mid term I won't buy, short term I also won't buy. Okay, that yes, if you understand. Long term monthly chart far from MA, mid term weekly chart far from MA, short term daily chart far from MA, all I won't buy. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, but you want to sell, can. Okay, you want to do some trailing stop to sell, you can. Okay, by the way, you all know how to do exit not? Exit is, how many agree exit is harder than entry? Like me, if you agree, exit is actually harder than entry. If you are trading correctly, entry is like simple 2040 MA CCI low, all the same one. Okay, candlestick arrow with teeth buy, it's always the same. But sell is difficult, yes or no? Sometimes you're in the money already, you don't know, should I sell, scared it go higher. How many have this experience? Like me, very experienced. Okay, so you can watch this training. Okay, swing trading, taking profit on remaining position. Type yes. How many have watched this already? The master class. Type me if you have watched this before. Okay, go and watch this, and then how to put different stop loss. Very good. One sell say one sell good. Go and watch this. Okay, how to take profit. Okay, one more last point. Okay, how to take profit on. So I talk about the 4 stops. Okay, what are the 4 stops? Initial stop, break even stop, trading stop, time stop. Okay, I talk about the 4 stop. Go and watch this. Okay. If you cannot log in, check whether your trader GPS still valid or not. Okay, check trader GPS. This is tied to your trader GPS. Okay, guys, this is not free. Type yes if you understand. Okay, every week we do webinar, not free lah. Okay, it's tied to your trader GPS subscription. You subscribe to trader GPS, you get this for together. Okay, but this ongoing, this is not free lah. Okay, next one. Okay, let's move on. Okay, type good. Okay, move on. I break resistance, coming back into the resistance. Can you see? Oh, break resistance, coming back into resistance. Nothing much. This is still entry. Wait. Okay. Okay. This is 18 October until now. Zion. How many holding Zion? ZION. Zion. Bang. Type Zion, if you're holding Zion, up about 4%, still holding, right? 27 September, which is this candle. Okay. 4% still holding. Okay. Next one is Upstart. How many bought or still holding Upstart? Type UPST. Up 40%. Correct? Is it correct? Up 40% since 30th of August, which is here. Yeah, up 40%. How many took profit on Upstart UPST? That me will take profit. Nobody, yeah. Okay, so we all take. You all know how to take, right? Okay, you all know how to take, right? Don't anyhow take, okay? By the way, must trade correctly. Must trade correctly. Okay, later I share with you what I mean by trade correctly. Some people, they not the time to stop loss, they anyhow stop. That is trading wrongly. Okay, lose money is okay, but don't trade wrongly. Okay, lose money for me is okay because trading should have win money, lose money. Yes or no? But if you anyhow trade, cannot lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you anyhow trade, eventually you will lose a lot of money. So better find the correct way to trade. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, losing money, that is normal. Okay, but anyhow trade, that is not good. Okay, sorry, tractor supply company, this one, break resistance. Usually I like this kind of pattern. Okay, give you a clue. I like what we call rising triangle. Do you know ascending triangle? This is ascending triangle. That means the pattern is like this, like this, like this, like this. Break up. Usually I like this kind of pattern. Why is it so? Why is it so I like this kind of pattern? I also mentioned this in the class before. How many went through the class before? Type me if you went for the class before. This complete TA course, right? We covered this before. Okay, I usually like this. This got a very high probability of success. This is also ascending triangle. Can you see it not? Type yes, you can see Tesla. Oh, you can draw a line here. This is ascending triangles. Okay, so this usually got high degree of success, like this, like this, like this. Okay, then draw this line, then draw this line. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, guys. Upstart. Upstart, you can go in. Don't go in Upstart lah. You got two stock here, right? Why am I still going Upstart? Cute, okay, right? Right. We talk about these stocks right now, and then you talk about Upstart. Upstart don't mind already, okay? Upstart, just hang on. Okay. In fact, I think sell may be coming soon. Okay, can you see that this line is very close to zero? Okay, that means this guy this stock they let go accelerator quite long already. Yes or no? Okay, let go accelerator quite long already. So once it lets go accelerator too long and it doesn't step again, then it will exit. Candlestick will turn red. Yes, if you understand. Okay, this is when candlestick turn red, then you exit. Okay, next week if candlestick turn red, then next week you exit. Okay. Yeah, TSCO is second arrow with thief. Okay, first arrow, second arrow. Okay, break resistance. Simple. 可以吗 Okay, Jocelyn. Okay, can I? Okay, next. PPC. Okay, PPC. This one, Sian. Okay, got out. That candlestick turn red. Yes or no? Candlestick turn red, break below zero, exited. That yes, if you understand. Guys, please exit. Okay, up to you. Don't later exit already. Later go out, you all blame me. Okay, up to you. Candlestick turn red already. Well, exit up to you. Okay. Type yes if you understand. Okay, went in at 30th August here. Okay, 30th August here. But actual date is 1st September lah. So exit. Make money. 才怪 The broker make money The broker make money. You didn't make money, okay? Okay. That yes, if you understand. Oh, by the way, all these stocks are for demonstration purpose. This is not the best way to trade the trade GPS. Not the best way. Okay. Why is it not the best way to trade GPS? Because I only look at it once a week. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, I only search the stock once a week. If I search every day, how many agree if I search every day, I get better picks than this? Like me, if you agree. Oh, if you search every day, I sure got better picks than this. But only search Monday, then okay. Only on Monday, this arrow appear, then I trade this arrow. Okay. There are few other stocks that got nice arrow one, but actually there are few stocks that I traded got nice arrow one. Okay, but I didn't tell you all that. But this one. This one no arrow. I traded this also. Okay, I traded Lulu. I traded Dutch brothers. Okay, I traded this. I traded this. Okay, I traded Pfizer. I traded Dow Jones. I traded what else? Team. I traded Team. Okay, this one's still good okay, but not this one not traded GPS Okay. Sometimes I concern if I tell you my trade. Okay? It's not that I don't want to tell you all. Okay, but this one is nice also. Yes or not? Do you agree? Oh, break resistance, rising. Okay, nice. Why trade forever? Because I'm Sifu. Hello. I create the system. Okay, guys. Eventually, you must understand the accelerator and let go accelerator thing. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Like acceleration, let go acceleration, acceleration, let go acceleration, acceleration, let go acceleration, acceleration. You must see this. Can you all see not? Accelerating, then let go. Accelerating, let go. Accelerating, let go. Accelerating. Can you see not? Type yes, you can see. Cannot see, then 没有办法 use the GPS okay. But if accelerate too long, then cannot stick the rate. That's the key. Okay, accelerate too long, then cannot stick the rate. No, decelerate too long, then cannot stick the rate. Okay, that means it must how to say, it must within a certain period of time, it must accelerate, it must push up again. Just like just now we talked about the upstart, right? So if the upstart let go for too long, not good. Okay, if you let go like a bit, then accelerate again, let go a bit, accelerate. Okay. This one seems like a bit too long. Do you agree? Oh, seems like a bit too long. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is too long. Okay. So hopefully volume will come back up again. If volume will come back up again, as decelerate too long, then cannot stick with turn rate. Okay. Next we go to Pfizer. Swing trade. How many in? Pfizer. Our earnings is tomorrow. Okay. So if you're scared, then don't trade. That yes, if you understand. If you're scared, then don't enter. Okay. Earnings tomorrow. The swing trade is 25th October. 25th October is 2 weeks ago. If in already, if you're scared, then today take profit. Okay. That yes, if you understand. If you're scared. Okay. Got it? 2 weeks ago we entered, right? 25th October. No, last week we entered. Break the swing. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. So we entered already last week, up about 2%. If you want to take profit, you can. If you don't want to take profit, up to you. Okay, because earnings is coming up tomorrow. Okay. Taper, don't worry. Taper I covered before, right? Talk about tapering. Okay, just to summarize, tapering is usually good or no good for stock market. And we talk about the increased interest rate, right? And the stock market before, right? It's usually good, okay? 3 to 5 days no good, then the rest is good. I go and watch the webinar, okay? Go and watch the webinar, okay? We covered this before, yes or no? Okay, am I gonna take? I will see lah. Okay, I will most likely not lah. Okay, I will most likely not take because I degen lah. I don't care one. Wrong then cut lah. Simple, right? It's not rich, guys. It is trading the trade plan. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, trading a trade plan is what? You put the stop loss there. If it stop, then stop lah. If it no stop, then go up lah. Simple or not? Okay. Then you put this money at risk. Okay, $500, $1,000. How much you want put in? That's the bet. Okay. That yes, if you understand. So your concept, right, is you don't focus on make money. You just focus on making the right bet. Okay, if wrong, then get out lah. But I may change. That means today before market today, right? If suddenly drop, I may get out. Do you follow what I'm saying? If today drop before the earning come out, today drop a lot lah, then I will get out. If it go up, then we'll get out. Okay. Usually it's opposite. Go up, I won't sell. Go down, I will sell. Do you follow what I'm saying? Go up means I bet the boxer now winning the match. I won't sell. I won't take profit. But if I bet on the boxer already over cut already, I sell lah. Oh. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so you or soccer team lah. You bet on Singapore versus Brazil, right? Brazil score 2-0 already. You continue to bet Brazil will win lah. You don't go and say, maybe later halfway through Brazil will lose. Singapore was strong. You follow what I'm saying? That's the concept. Okay, next one is short. Okay, I want to talk about. Hey guys, this one. Any questions so far? No question, type good if you no question. Okay, next is how come people cannot start UPST? UPST is like it bought so low, right? Okay. Short. Okay. Who go and stop loss short? Like me with stop loss short. Nobody died to admit. When got stop loss? Hello. Okay, where's the stop loss for short? Short is 18 October, right? We got in here. Where's the stop loss? If you do a swing here, where's the stop loss? Around what price? Around trade GPS 1, around this price, 171, 171. Yes or no? Here so far, where got stop loss? Understand or not? So you will have traded wrongly if you stop loss here, 1-3 plus or something like that. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you that day when this thing is down, right, and you panic and exited, then you have traded wrongly. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay. If you anyhow go and sell here, you have traded wrongly. Okay, that means 不对. Okay, stop loss should be the lowest. Okay, the lowest part here. Got it? That yes if you understand. That yes you understand. We mentioned I even draw the price for you already. Okay. So next, Dow Jones. Dow Jones can Dow Jones can. Jenny asks if you get in 18 October, stop loss not measured at 18. No. Okay. See 18 October, which is here. How can the stop loss be 18 October low? Guys, this is not correct. If you entered 18 October, the stop loss is not 18 October low. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you this is not a daily swing. Yes or no? It's a weekly swing. Yes or no? Is this stop loss is here? It's not, the stop loss is not daily chart. Go and stop loss. You enter here, go and stop loss here. That is not correct lah. Correct or not? Okay, if you don't know, please go and find out. Type yes if you who does ask Jenny, go and find out. Okay, this is not correct. No setup also. Okay, on 18 October, is there a setup? There's no setup. What kind of setup is this? No setup. No setup on the daily chart. Okay. Okay. Unless you say you are looking at weekly charts. Weekly charts, then your stop loss is what, guys? 1 SL. Okay, 1 SL. Okay. 可以吗? Can I? Okay, let's move on. Dow Jones, if your one can take profit some, okay. We went in here, yes or no? 18 October went up. Count candle. How many candle already? How many candle? Since the time we got in, 18 October, which is here. How many candle? 1, 2, 3. I would say it's like third or fourth candle. This week will be fourth candle already. So if you want, you can sell. Okay, if not, then you write. Okay, you can sell some if you want. Okay, Dow Jones nobody have. Sorry, I forgot. EL, how many have EL? Trade. EL actually is August one. It's actually here one. 30th August. Here, I think here one. Okay. So if we didn't, then now it's a swing here. Okay, stop loss is here. 286. Okay. I think EL not much people have already lah. Okay. Long-term trend, anybody holding long-term stocks? $700. Okay, so long-term, right? See the context, right? Long-term is okay. Am I lagging? Okay, so long term, right? The context is show you long term 1 to 2 years. Buy more when drop. Dollar cost averaging. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, these stocks when I pick usually are uptrend or downtrend. When April last year, when I picked STI, Hong Kong Land, all this, when I picked them, they were up. No, they were not uptrend. They were downtrend. Do you follow what I'm saying? Do you follow what I'm saying? They were all downtrend. Okay, not uptrend. Like example, we go to STI in April last year. It is downtrend. Can you see now? It's like here, here, here. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay, H78 during July last year is still down. Can you see? Type yes if you can see. Or 45 Hong Kong Land, right, is also downtrend. Then why I pick downtrend stock? Why I pick downtrend stock? Because this is Hong Kong Land. This is doesn't work. This is this last year, right, are all downtrend stock. July last year. Can you see? MA are all sloping down. Got it? When I pick this all downtrend stock, why I buy this is because of long-term value. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. I want to have a mixture. Some people, they don't like to buy high one like this kind of stock. They want to have like, oh, Colin, tell me like it's super cheap and can buy, cannot. Then 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 you can do something like this. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Then you can do something like this and buy like this or somewhere in July last year kind of thing. Oh, this is July. Okay, July last year. You more or less can pick the bottom. Yes or no? 明白吗? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so no more long term, no more 700. Oh, go back to 700 again. 10 cents. Buy lah. Keep buying. Okay, long term, right? It is up, yes or no? Do you agree? Long term is up, okay? Buy the Hong Kong one, US, buy the Hong Kong one, if you can, okay? US one is this one, right? 10 cents music, is it? This one is not, Type yes if you understand. The Hong Kong one, okay, finish. Okay, let's move on. Any other things? No, okay. Okay, now your stocks. Thank you, Ting Ting. Okay, so I want to do one more. Facebook Swing Weekly. Now Facebook is known as what? Meta. What do you think of the name? I didn't talk about Facebook last week. Type yes if I talk about Facebook last week. I did, right? What did I say last week? Facebook. No, man. Don't buy I say don't buy okay? At this point, right, if I am long term, okay, let's I want to do a more comprehensive research on Facebook. Is it okay? I'll break it down into long term, medium term, short term. Okay, long term meaning to say I got 5 years time frame. If I got 5 years time frame to buy Facebook right now, I won't buy Facebook right now. Okay, why? Because right now Facebook, if I have 5 years time frame I want to wait for Facebook for 5 years, I won't buy Facebook right now. It's because right now Facebook is not cheap on the big horizon. Type yes if you understand. Okay, I want to buy Facebook when Facebook is, if I got 5 years, I want to buy Facebook when it's like this. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. If I buy Facebook, if I got 5 years horizon, I'll buy Facebook when it's like this. I don't want to buy Facebook when it's like here. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's the context, number one. Number two, if I got 1 year, now got long term, I got 1 year, will I buy Facebook this week? Do I want to do a swing trade? That means you're now going to do a swing trade, right? Swing trade weekly on Facebook. Do you want to do a swing trade weekly on Facebook? You can if you want to, okay. But it's not the nicest chart. Why is it so? Anybody can tell me why is it not the nicest chart? Swing trade got to see the setup, right? Why is it not nicest? Like this? Like that's still okay, yes or no? That yes, if you agree. Like that's still okay. I mean the 2040 swapping up CCI low, still okay. You can see like that, right? You can see it, yes or no? 2 weeks ago, can see it. Can see, okay? This is uptrend, this is downtrend, can see. Still okay. Then this one. Triggered, yes or no? This candle triggered. Type yes if agree. This candle triggered. But triggered already close below the trigger. Can you see? Type yes if you can see that. Triggered already is one thing, okay? But it closed below the trigger, okay? and then next week open below and then still remain below the trigger. That means to tell you what? No bolat lah. Okay, it's like the trampoline. Okay, the trampoline touch, then you see the guy come down, touch the trampoline. You only buy when the head stick up and then you buy. Do you follow what I'm saying? This is the trampoline. I think come down, already, press against, then bounce up already. Then you see the head, then you buy. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then you see the head. That's why you see mark the high, then you buy, right? Then you mark the high, then you buy. By the way, once you see the head and you buy, right? Mark the high, then you buy, right? Then what is likely to do after you mark the head and buy? Once you mark the high and buy, it will usually go what? Up. The momentum is up already, what? Correct. But this one, after go buy already, the momentum come down again. Not good lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Oh, so even though this candle closed up, if you haven't buy, I won't buy. Okay, if you haven't buy, I won't buy. If I bought already, I will want to exit. Do you follow what I'm saying? So that's for 1 year. Okay, that's for 1 year. So is it good to hold long term? Wow, hold long term very hard to say. Hold long term, I think okay lah. Yes or no? What do you all think? If you want to hold long term, if you already own the stock, can I hold long term? Can lah, because it's maybe I don't know when you bought. Maybe you bought at $95 or what, I don't know. Okay, but will I buy long term now? Will I buy long term? No. Okay, will I trade 1 year? 1 year, that means weekly swing. If I haven't buy, I will not buy. If I bought already, I want to get out. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So guys, the metaverse, the FA part, we want to put that aside. Do you follow what I'm saying? Why? Because the FA part, you can say it's good, you can say it's no good. It's very hard to quantify. Type yes if you understand. It's very hard to quantify. They're going to invest again. They're going to spend money to grow this metaverse and things like that. Yes or no? Very hard to quantify. Is it going to be a long-term positive, long-term? We don't know. Okay, but when we make a decision, we make based on the price. Does it make sense? It's more objective, don't you think? Rather than to guess 5-10 years later will Facebook succeed? I don't know lah. Okay, so let's conclude again. 5 years time frame, I won't buy today. Okay, if I weekly swing, I will want to exit. If not, then I wait for dynamic stop loss. Can. Okay, that means look at this one. This will be a stop loss. Type yes if you understand. About $300 with my stop loss. Type yes if you understand. Oh, so you buy here, your stop loss is the swing low here. Okay. Okay, then after that, daily chart. Daily chart is the next 1 week. Why buy? No lah. Why buy? 1 week? No lah. Oh, let's train it down. Can you see how we use the different time frame to decide the different things to do? Can see not? Type yes, you can see. We use a different time frame to decide what we want to do. Okay, and we make the decision based on that week. Okay, if I'm doing long term, I read long term chart. I zoom out long term. If I want to do 1 year, I zoom out maybe to weekly swing. Then if I do short term, I do daily swing. Okay. You know, the trader GPS is what trend? 3 to 9 months, what trend? If you want to do 3 to 9 months, Facebook is what trend? Also down. Okay, so don't go and buy right now. Okay. Okay. Next one. Megatron. Megatron. Metatron. Oh, Metatron. Megatron. Next one is Crocs. Daily position. Somebody put in Crocs, is it? Or put in the healthcare one. You were saying, right, that the healthcare, right, a lot of them now use Crocs, is it? Okay, because of the COVID and things like that. I don't know. They use a lot of Crocs. This is not bad. Okay. Can I draw a box? Can I draw this box? Can you see? I want it to be above the box. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, one more thing. Question. Old bird, you all should know, but new bird maybe don't know. Okay, if the price is like that, and the next day I trade, it opened here. Good or no good? Good, so if the resistance is here, it didn't give face to the resistance. Once it opened, it goes above the resistance, is good. Do you follow what I'm saying? If it open below, if it open, I draw here. If it open here, then what happened? It need to fight to clear this point. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. If it open here, you need to fight to clear this point. But if it open up, it really kill the enemy already. That means it's good. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't all in. Where is Alfred? Alfred is back in Singapore. Alfred, where are you? Don't all in. Okay, don't all in. Okay, but I'll share with you all. It's good. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay. So last one. So crops wait for it to break resistance. Okay. Anyway, to prevent triggering of false breakout, we trigger and the price go back out. Won't know how to prevent false breakout. Won't know. Or if you are diligent, then you after 15 minutes then trade. Okay. After 15 to 30 minutes then trade. Okay. So after, if you are diligent, after 15 to 30 minutes, when the market open already, if it's still above here, then it's good. If it's below here, then no good. Okay, if you are diligent. But if you're doing position daily, no need. Okay. Last one is this one I mentioned just now, right? Tesla. Yes or no? What do you all think most retail are thinking about Tesla right now? Do you think most retail are thinking up or down for Tesla? Most retail are thinking up. Do you follow what I'm saying? We won't be thinking up at this point. Yes or no? That yes, if you agree. When will we be thinking up? The swing trade setup. Either here or here. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay? Or if you're doing weekly swing, will be weekly swings earlier here. Do you follow what I'm saying? But we won't be thinking buying here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so don't get rushed. Don't get sucked in. So what we should be thinking? Sell lah. So many of you all have already. If you want to trade, okay, if you want to trade, you can sell and then buy back in. Okay, guys. I give you all one more tips. Why not? Before I leave. Use the dotted. You see the mark low. What is mark low? Okay, but you also can use mark low, and then what happened? If it start to close below the low, you exit. This is like the tightest exit. You keep using the mark low to exit. That yes, if you understand. So because some people got it at quite good price, right? But this is a short-term exit. That yes, if you understand. This is short-term exit. Okay. It may after that continue to go up again. But this is short-term exit. Okay. Okay, this is the last thing I want to share with you. What if you cannot don't sell everything, sell 50%. Okay, sell 50%. Okay, guys. If not, then thank you very much, guys. Makan time to today overrun again. Okay, if not, today never call announce to public. Public we go 400 people in public still, you know. Okay. SMT graduates, not SMT graduates, non-SMT graduates, pre-SMT graduates, come and join us in our next SMT community next year. The next join us for a preview, And then SMT graduate, do me a favor, type in why they should join SMT. Type in why they should join SMT. What? Don't put Colin is handsome, okay? Looks is temporal. Good life-changing course, okay? Okay, go and join us, okay? Okay, if not, then thank you very much. Appreciate all of your Jackie, make 1K after 1 month or what? 1 week, sorry, 1 month. Okay, thank you. Chance to stay Sentosa. Ken, what's the one? Hard Rock Cafe, Hard Rock Hotel. Chance to stay Sentosa. Okay, not then thank you guys. See you and bye.